Welcome to JH. Today we're looking at Alcantro.com, an online shop promising the world in jackets, dresses, and sweaters. They claim their fashion is modern, high quality, and dirt cheap, because usually, those three things go together perfectly. Naturally, everyone is asking if this place is actually legit or just another digital mirage. Let's start with the fact that the site was registered in November 2024. It's basically a digital newborn. And while being new isn't a crime, it hasn't exactly had time to build a reputation beyond just appeared out of thin air. It's younger than the milk in my fridge, which isn't exactly a glowing endorsement for reliability. Then we have the too good to be true discounts, offering 80% off or more if you decide to hoard their stock. Because nothing screams premium quality like a price tag lower than a fast food meal. To make matters even more suspicious, most of their product images look like they were borrowed from the rest of the internet. It makes you wonder if the items actually exist in a warehouse or just in a Photoshop folder on someone's laptop. Add to that the total lack of information about who actually runs the place. No owners, no team, just a faceless void. It's a bold business strategy to ask for credit card details while remaining as anonymous as a witness in a mob trial. When we look at the reviews, things get even weirder. Over on Trustpilot, the feedback is a chaotic mixed bag. Some customers apparently love the designs and they friendly communication, claiming exchanges are a breeze. That's lovely, but you can't exactly wear a polite email to a party when your actual clothes haven't arrived. On the flip side, plenty of people are complaining about delivery times that make a message in a bottle look like express shipping. Between the fresh domain, the mystery owners, and the stolen photos, Alcantro.com feels less like a boutique and more like a gamble. Definitely think twice before clicking buy, unless you enjoy the suspense of wondering if your package will ever show up. Thanks for sticking with me till the end.